Can you do me a favor?
Yep.
And get one of those 80s style straight bug shields for your caddy. It's like the one thing it's missing.
Yeah.
Please hold. Maybe a flashlight. Yeah, so right now, what this is gonna do is plug into the actual gas pedal. So if you look at the connector on the top of the gas pedal, it's plugged in. Yep, right there. So we do that. Pop that on there. We plug the other end into here. And that's all there is to that.
That was easy.
We'll tie that up out of the way later. So we need this. The key in here. So you turn this on. There it is. Done. Alright, now we can plug in the tuner and see if it's up to date. Alright, tire size. So that's going to be the speedo. I'll set it at 35. Normally you'll want to measure the tire height and adjust it perfectly to what the tire measures out to. But these are 35, so we'll just set it at 35 for now. Look at the dash. Shut up. Turn ignition on. Okay. Tire size has been modified. All of this is going to be the same. We can change the TPMS threshold. So a truck heavy duty like this that would want 80 PSI and you're trying to run low pro tires, that's where you can change that. So it's also got scan tool built in, so you can read check engine lights, things like that. And that's just settings of the truck. So we are all done. That is really annoying. The key is not in the ignition. So I'll strap that up, attach this to the dash, and we'll go from there. Okay, I don't get it. I did this thing with my thumb like this. It usually works. Oh, look at that. Now we have a tune screen.
Bird. You're seeing
Tune vehicle. All right, what do we want? Tow performance, or mileage save?
I think we're going for mileage.
We're going for mileage? I think we're going for tow performance. What do you actually really want for this video?
Yo, Strange.
We're gonna put it in tow.
Okay.
So, for the purpose of this video, we're gonna put her in tow mode. He'll be able to put it in mileage for his daily driving back and forth. But tow is designed for towing loads up to that recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. Yep. Customized options. We might as well see what's in there. Gear ratio, low ratio, tire size. Oh, okay. No, we don't need any of that. I was like, I definitely pressed OK.
fly up.
The hands are cold.
Got audio on that? I'm cold. Yeah, I told myself I was gonna get one, and then about 2 years later I did. And I got a white one and f***ing totaled it.
Really?
Yeah.
Was that the one that was on meth?
Yeah, I took everything off. I haven't put it on yet because it was f***ing winter and I don't have a garage at home. But the white one was, yeah, tuned E30 intake exhaust meth.
Nice.
And then I'll put all that stuff onto this.
Awesome.
But I just have, I smacked a deer on 10.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah, destroyed it.
Oh, no.
Freaking took his antlers, caught right here. His body came and wrapped around, smashed the door in, airbags went off.
Dude, that's rough.
Freaking, yeah, it sucked, but whatever. Hands are just freezing.
Oh,
So like
mine
every
too.
metal part just sucks. It was the weight. Oh wow. Not put this away correctly.
Do you tow a lot with this thing, usually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
It's a workhorse.
picked this up 6-7 months ago, and we've probably towed about 15 to 20 times so far, which is more than I expected. But yeah, been to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, there and back. We went to Chicago a handful of times, over to US Air in Shawano, the drift track.
Nice.
To Brainerd, Minnesota a couple times.
And is that all for drifting?
Most of it was for drifting, and then others were car shows.
How is the drifting going? I've always really, really wanted to get into that if I ever had the money. I think that'd be a really, really cool thing to
It
do.
doesn't even need to be that expensive, to be honest, but it's really cool. I'm not drifting, it's Anna. She's the one that's drifting. With 240s being bro tax, I think she got a pretty good deal. She only paid $4,500 for it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a really good deal.
And
Usually it's like $7,800. I know what I have.
And I mean matching panels. Everything was paint matched. I would say with suspension, wheels and tires, new steering components, and exhaust, I would say,
like under 10?
oh, easily like 8. I'm averaging 8 miles a gallon right now. See, I've heard only good things about this company.
Good.
So that's why I felt comfortable with doing it. Yeah, I'm really excited. Doesn't it feel like we're not really even pulling anything though?
Oh no, not at
It
all.
feels
This
like
thing is
we're
great.
just driving. I f***ing love that about this truck. Oh, if you had used your blinker, that would have been nice, sir. This will be nice once we have our 2-car trailer. I think I'm going the right way to get to the interstate.
We'll figure it out.